on the LetClicks login screen. So I'm going to log into the screen, and in this video tutorial we're going to learn about how can you clone a photo link that you have already made. So I'm going to log in using Facebook, the way I mostly prefer the most. So now I am in my LetClicks dashboard. As soon as I log in, what I see is my overall dashboard. So to be able to clone a link, I need to navigate to a section where I have a list of all of the links that I've already made. So I'm going to head to my links and click on all. This page is going to show me a list of all the links that I have already made, and I can just scroll through to find the link that I want to clone. So let's say I want to clone this first URL that I just posted a little bit back. And if I go down over here, I see a list of all the options that I can take over this particular photo link. So for example, I can take a look at the report. I can edit this link behind when the behind the link that this link opens up when someone clicks on it. I can schedule this link, I can post it right now, or I can archive it. But for now, since we're going to talk about cloning a link, I'm going to click on this option called clone. As soon as I click on this option called clone, it loads the new link option for me with all the data that has been prefetched and preset into all the columns right now. So I see that the headline is the same as that one, the destination URL is the same as that one, the URL open type is as the same one. I have the same default settings for the domains. I can choose the domain name. I have the custom link build the same. The only difference here is that I have to choose a different slug, because for all the photo links the slug has to be different. And it is not that I have to go ahead with all of these settings. It is for your convenience, wherein when you copy ahead and say that you want to clone a link, all the settings are prefetched into the new links column, and you can obviously go ahead and change any of the settings that you want to change. So I'm not gonna get into all of that right now, but let me just quickly enter a new slug, say test cloning link, and as soon as I'm done, I can just click upon this button called create link. As soon as I click on this option called create link, my link has been successfully cloned and a new link is generated over the same settings as the same. Let me show you by going to all links section, and you'll see that a clone and a replica has been created already. There you see. So this was my original photo link, and I just created a link at the click of a button, and I see that this link is already over there. So cloning the link will help you create multiple replicas of existing photo links, wherein you have the option to not to pre-enter all the data again, but actually have a little modifications anytime when you want to. Stay tuned for the other tutorials, and we're gonna discuss more about the other features in the other tutorials. Thank you.